Hey there. So the next project in the doghouse is to glitter and urethane these banisters. And it's kind of supposed to have a feeling of a ship. So we have these beautiful turned banisters. And I today am going to use something a little different. It is a gloss urethane, spar urethane. It is actually an outdoor. You can get it indoor as well. I'm actually using the outdoor for a reason. It holds up better. That's my thought on that. Also, it has a slight yellow tint to it, which normally is a big no-no with glitter, but I actually want that yellow tint to attach itself to this. And it'll also kind of take the glitter and sort of change the color into more of a gold. So I'm going to be using the same as I did on the walls, which is the Apollo's Chariot, which has a yellow in it, plus this, which you get a really nice tint out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and put my respirator on, crack the can. I'm going to pour it into this cup, and then I'm going to mix the glitter in. And the important thing to do is to keep stirring it as you're working, because otherwise it'll settle to the bottom and you'll just be painting on urethane with no glitter on it. So it's very, very important to either stir it with your brush if it's a small project, or stir it with a stir stick if it's a big project, or maybe a little of both. But remember, it sinks pretty quickly, so don't assume that you have it on your brush just because you've dipped it in. Sometimes I have a technique that I use where I'll actually take my brush, I'll actually grab it on the bottom, lift, brush, stick it in, grab it on the bottom. That way I'm getting maximum amount of glitter on my brush each time, so I don't have to stir. I'm literally just scraping the bottom every time. So that may work for you. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to get rolling, get my respirator on. This is an enclosed space, so no need to kill brain cells. Here we go.